Hey everyone! So I want to do a quick tutorial video on something that you're going to encounter in this lab, and it is latitude, longitude math. Whew, I know, it sounds kind of funky. That's because it kind of is. So at the beginning of this lab, we remind ourselves what latitude and longitude are. Latitude showing us how far away from the equator we are, longitude showing us how far away from the prime meridian we are, or essentially Great Britain, right? So what we're going to be doing in this particular portion of the lab is maths. So we can break down latitude and longitude into minutes and seconds. It's kind of funky, I know, but one degree of latitude or longitude is roughly 111 kilometers. So we kind of gotta break that down a little bit. So on your lab, what you're going to be doing is finding how many minutes and seconds, or it's a form of distance, your most northern part of your map is from your southern, and then your eastern from your western from your eastern, something like that. So what I mean by that is on your map, you're going to have, sometimes we have to do our never eat shredded wheat or soggy waffles, right? You're going to have a reading. So here's kind of my little thing here. So on your map, you're going to have an indication of the latitude in terms of degrees, minutes, and seconds. So for example, say that one is 140 degrees and 16 minutes and 45 seconds. So minutes denoted by 1 apostrophe, seconds denoted by 2 apostrophes. Then say on my other side here, I'll have on my on my southern end, so that's going to be denoted here in black, is say 140 degrees and just going to make up a number here, 4 minutes and 55 seconds, right? So what we're going to be doing is subtracting our southern from our northern, okay? So to do that, we just kind of employ our normal subtraction rules, right? Can I subtract 45 from 55 without it, or sorry, excuse me, can I subtract 55 from 45 without it being negative? Unfortunately not. So we're going to do some borrowing here, right? So we're going to borrow a minute from 16. So now that's going to be 15 minutes. And then we're going to do, in how many seconds are in a minute? 60, right? So we got to do our little math over here. 60 plus 45, that's 105 minutes, right? So 105 minutes. So now we can do subtraction. Now we can subtract 55 from 105. And I can't do that in my head, so I have to use my lovely little calculator here. So 105 minus 55 is 50, okay? So now we can do all of our subtraction. So I have 0 degrees, 15 minus 4 is 9? 11, can't see, bad. I can do calculus all day, but give me a rudimentary math and I can't. And 10 minutes. So the length from north to south, so I've subtracted my south from my north, is 0 degrees, 11 minutes, and 10 seconds. So that's an example there. Just to keep this video nice and short, I'm not going to do another example, but there will be an example that I'll give in lab as well. I just wanted to provide this mini tutorial so you don't have to, if you don't need to, go all the way back through today's recording. Okay? So hopefully this was helpful. Reach out if you have any questions or if that didn't make any sense, and I will try my best to help you, and maybe we can do some other examples together. Okay? Thank you.